Hey there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we have a Russian prison workers ration. Now this is a 24-hour ration, so there should be a lot of fun stuff inside. So yeah, let's have a close look. Alright, let's have a close look at it. And we have some Russian writing. Not sure what that says, but more than likely one-man ration or 24-hour ration. And I'll just hit it with the translator and put the little box right here. Here we have a list of the content. Again, it's all in Russian. Here we have the date of production and expiration date, which is, it's a little bit past its shelf life, so I'm sure it's still gonna be good, no problems with that. And I believe these are the instructions and suggestions. I'm sure someone will correct me on that. Here's the bottom, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So a lot of people like to say that these rations are extremely rare and hard to find, but I didn't have much trouble finding one. If you go to my friends at Rations and More, they'll help you locate one. They have a ton of rations, so make sure you check them out. If you're looking for a ration, I'm sure they can help you find one. So yeah, check out Rations and More. The link is down below. And yeah, let's get this thing opened up, have a look, and try it out. All right, let's get this thing opened up. All right, and we're in. We'll just set that off to the side. First up, we have some crackers. They're a little bit crushed up, but it's all right. I believe this is a multivitamin pill. Here's a hard candy or boiled sweets. We have 2 packages of what appears to be instant tea. Could be completely wrong, but we'll find out. We have 3 packages of sugar. It's a lot of sugar. Right here we have the apple butter or apple jam, and I believe you can also use it as a drink. Just add some hot water to it, and there you go. Here we have some napkins, some regular napkins, and this appears to be liver pate. Feels a little bit bloated, so we'll check that out. All right, so we have 2 liver pates. Also feels a little bit bloated, so we'll approach this with caution. Here we have a peach instant drink. Never had this one before. We have more crackers or biscuits, so we have 6 in total. Very nice. Here we have a portable stove or Esbit stove. Here you have the fuel tablets, and I don't see any matches. All right, and we have 2 containers of beef kasha. I love this stuff. This stuff is great. So we'll just open one up, and this one we'll save it for some other time. And we have another main entree, and this appears to be some kind of beef meatballs and some kind of sauce. Very interesting, and that's pretty much it. All right guys, there you have it, the Russian prison workers ration. And as you can see, it's not as massive as the Russian winter ration. The main purpose of this ration is for prison workers. When they're transporting prisoners, they have something to eat. Yeah, that's the main intent. So it's not as massive as a regular Russian IRP, and you know, I get that. Right, so we have the beef meatballs, 2 kasha entrees, a stack of crackers, 2 pates, portable stove, sugar, instant peach drink, instant tea drinks, apple butter or apple jam, napkins, multivitamin, and hard candy. All right, since we have a lot of repeated components, we'll just prepare 2 meals. We'll have lunch and dinner, and here's the 2 meals I came up with. Here's the lunch and the dinner. So yeah, let's get started. All right, let's check out the tea drink. See what it looks like. Just looks like brown sugar. All right, so I'm not sure how much water I'm supposed to use, so I'll just play it safe and use about 6 ounces. Let's give it a stir. All right, there we have it. Not much of a smell to it. All right. Yeah, I couldn't get much of a flavor profile. This pretty much just tastes like water and sugar. It's a little bit sweet, but yeah. All right, let's check out the Kasha. Now this stuff is amazing. We'll get it warmed up. And there we have the Kasha. Let's break it up a little bit. Not sure what kind of grain that is. Could be rice, could be some kind of buckwheat. You never know. You can see some of the bits of beef. All right, we'll just warm it up and we'll come back to it. Let's add some water so it doesn't stick. There we go. Alright, I think it's ready. Let's turn off the heat. It's nice and hot. Alright, there's our Kasha. Looks really good. Smells fantastic. Let's have a bite. There you can see the grain and little bits of beef. Let's try it. Yeah, this stuff is amazing. Great flavor to it. I love the texture once you warm it up. It's got the right amount of seasoning, the right amount of salt. It's Russian beef Kasha and it's excellent. Let's try with the cracker. All right, let's try with the cracker. Yeah, the Kasha with the crackers, always a winner. All right, let's check out this liver pate. I believe it's pork liver pate and feels a little bit bloated, but the Kasha was in good condition, so I'm hoping this will be too. There we go. There it is. Let's have a quick sniff. And that looks perfectly fine. Let's give it a try. All right. Yeah, that's perfectly fine. Tastes like Russian liver pate. Might as well try with the cracker. Right, down the hatch. Yeah, that's pretty good. I wish they gave you a much bigger container, but yeah, it is what it is. And here we have one of my favorite components, the apple jam or butter. Let's open it up. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. There it is. You can see little bits of stuff in there. It's all that goodness. Let's try it. That apple jam is just out of this world. That stuff is amazing. I can't get enough of that stuff. Let's try this as a drink, just to see what it tastes like. Let's add a little bit of water. Stir it up. All right, there it is. Let's try it. Yeah, that's not bad as a drink. Kind of has that apple cider feel to it. Yeah, pretty good. And for dinner, we're gonna have the beef meatballs, crackers, instant peach drink. We'll give the tea another shot, hard candy, sugar, and liver pate. More than likely, we're gonna skip this since we already had it, so yeah. All right, let's check out the beef meatballs and get this warmed up. And there it is, you can see one of the meatballs. Let's give it a quick sniff. And this stuff kind of smells like the vegetable caviar, so it might just be vegetable caviar and some meatballs. So yeah, let's warm it up. All right, let's check out the instant tea one more time. We'll try it cold this time. There it is. Let's add about 8 ounces of water. And we'll let the sugar dissolve on its own. We'll set it off to the side. And let's check out this peach drink. Let's open this up. Cup's a little bit big, but it's all right. Here's the instant peach drink. And it just looks like yellow sugar. Let's get into our cup. Has a nice pleasant peach scent to it. For this, we'll need about 7 ounces of water. Let's give it a nice long stir so we can dissolve those sugar crystals. Yeah, it's got a nice peachy smell to it. And yeah, let's try it. Yeah, that's not bad. It's just very sweet and has a very mild peach flavor to it. But yeah, overall, it's just it's decent. Just mix this up. See if it makes a difference when it's cold. Alright, let's give the tea another try. Yeah, this stuff just tastes like water and sugar. There's absolutely no flavor to that, so yeah. Alright, I think the meatballs are ready. Let's turn off the heat. Just be careful. And there you have it. You have the beef balls right here. You get 3 of them. Let's split one in half. There you have a nice cross section. All right, I think we should try it. Let's get a nice big piece. It's piping hot. All right, let's try it. Yeah, this is really good. The meatballs are excellent. Very nice beefy flavor. And the sauce really tastes like that vegetable caviar stuff. But I would have to say with a little bit more flavor, a little bit more seasoning. Yeah, it's great. Let's try with the cracker. Let's get a nice big chunk. And the meatballs, you can tell it's ground beef and some kind of grain like rice or something. So, yeah. And yeah, that is delicious. I give that a 9 out of 10. And the last thing we have is the candy. see what it looks like. Let me show you the wrapper. And it looks like it's plum flavor, I think. Here it is. All right. Yeah, that's very soft and chewy, and as you saw, it's filled with something. Not sure what that is, but the flavor was more like grape. But yeah, overall, a nice little candy snack. All right, guys, that was it. That was the Russian prison workers ration. I must say it's a really good one. The entrees were just excellent. I'm glad I got to try the meatballs. I have never had that before, and the drinks were okay. My only complaint would have to be the instant tea drink. That stuff is just not that great. It just tastes like water and sugar, so I'm not sure where they were going with that. And if you're looking for one of these, make sure you hit up Rations and More. They might have them in stock. I got this ration like a year ago, but if they don't, they'll help you locate one. Check out Rations and More. The link is down below. Just want to give a huge thanks to my patrons. You guys have been a great support. Your contributions help with these rations and all that good stuff. So thanks a lot, and go ahead, leave me a like, subscribe, and as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.